Hello and welcome to this Maven build tool tutorial for beginners. In this video, we will cover the basics of Maven and how it can help simplify your project's build process. Let's start by exploring what Maven is. Maven is a build automation tool that helps manage and organize your Java projects. It provides a way to manage project dependencies, generate project documentation, and automate the build process. But before we can use Maven, we need to install it. To install Maven, simply download the latest version from the Apache Maven website and follow the installation instructions for your operating system. Once installed, we can start using Maven in our Java projects. Let's take a look at the Maven project structure. A typical Maven project will have the following structure. The circ folder is where you'll write your project's source code, while the target folder is where Maven will generate any build artifacts. Maven also provides a POM, small file that describes your project and its dependencies. Let's take a look at a simple POM. Small file, the grouped and artifacted are used to uniquely identify your project. The version specifies the version of your project, while the dependencies section lists any dependencies your project requires. Once you have your project set up, you can use Maven to compile your code, run tests, and package your project. To compile your code, you can use the compile command in the root directory of your project. To run tests, you can use the test command, and to package your project, you can use the package command. This will create a jar file in the target folder that contains your compiled code and any necessary dependencies. And that's a quick introduction to Maven. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and happy coding!